Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. The weekend is here. Last night, I celebrated Pasta Friday, where I prepared Arrabbiata pasta with my own little twists to it. Oh, yummy, filling, and I want more. At least a few months. Tonight, I'm going to try something new. As you know, I love pork. I love good pork chops, shake and bake, whole nine yards. Tonight, I am doing a tropical jerk pork chops. There's a little salsa that goes on the side. I'm not going to be making that. Too many ingredients that are just like tiny amounts. It financially, it's just no. Mm. And I'm going to serve that with a copycat of rice-a-roni. I love rice-a-roni. Say what you will. I prepared this probably 3 years ago. I had to kind of dig it out of the archives, and I want to try it again with more knowledge that I have now. So let's get to it. So I got a couple of boneless pork chops. Yummy. Kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, brown sugar, some olive oil, some soy sauce, lemon juice, and my jerk seasoning, which is available. Now for the rice-a-roni, pretty simple. Rice. I'm using orzo because the instructions say to use broke up spaghetti. I've used orzo before. It works perfectly fine. Chicken broth. For the seasoning, thyme, garlic, minced onion, turmeric, parsley are all your seasonings, and of course, butter. I thought last night's pasta dinner was simple. This is simple. Yeah. Got a new week starting tomorrow. It'll be the last date night Rob and I have. Surprise. I'll tell you more later. All right. On this Saturday, I'm tired of the weather. That's all I'm going to say. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.